Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to show the developer tab on Excel. So the developer tab is not displayed by default, but we can add it to the ribbon when you want to do various tasks like writing macros, using different XML commands, or using form controls among other things as well. So we're going to just jump right into it, and we're going to start by left clicking on the File tab up at the top one time. Left click on that. And then you want to go and left click on Options near the bottom. Select Customize Ribbon on the left side of the Excel Options window here under Main Tabs right here. And you want to select the Developer right here. So check mark inside Developer. And then left click on OK. Once you've done that, now we have the Developer tab. So pretty straightforward. I do hope this tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.